Hi, welcome to FX 7 Days, to the currency analysis and forecasts for April 9th. This analysis is for the next week. Okay, we will start today with the euro dollar. As we see that the euro dollar is in a downtrend, we see the trend line, the downtrend line is clear, and we see that the price is moving in kind of symmetrical triangle. The last week, since the price reached the upper part of the downtrend line, the price started to struggle for around 6 days for the whole last week, and finally the price broke to the downside and reached this next target I mentioned in the daily currency analysis and forecasts we give in the blog. The target was the 3160, and then the next target was 3000. As we see, the price is standing above support here. All what we need now is that we see a clear breakout. So if the price break to the downside, the 3000, next target will be the 28 area, 128. If the price retrace from there and start to come back up, next target will be again the upper part of the trend line, which is 32, 132, and then 133, 33.50. The 33.50 was worked as a good resistance for the price the whole last week. So if the price get back up, so we could see it to the 32 and then 33.50. We go to the dollar franc. As we see, the dollar franc is the same, is moving in a triangle, but in a bigger triangle. We see that the price now is consolidating here in the middle. If the price break today, it looks like that on Monday that the price will continue going forward up, but the target is not that big. He is facing facing the downtrend line of the triangle and the 100-day moving average. One of two could happen the next week. The price could continue and break through this triangle and get up, and the targets will be for the break. The first one will be 93, 093.20, and then will be 95. I'm sure this will not happen for 1 week, could take more weeks, but this week, if it's break to the upside, we could see it at least reach this target, 93. If the price reach this target here, at the 92, could you see that the price is forming a reversal signal and the price start to come back down. The next target for the downside, it will be again the 9060 line, and then the 9000, which is here. Okay, this could happen for the next week. The dollar yen, we see the dollar yen is moving in a down channel, okay, and we see that the price now on the daily chart here broke the uptrend line, and we see the price is consolidating and moving in a down channel. We could see if the price closed today like this on Monday, as we see now, we could see that the price the next week could go to higher and go to the upper side of the channel, which is the 82.30 area, and then start to come back down again to the 82 and then 81 and 80.50 until the price reach the 50 daily moving average here. And then we could see if the price break it, we could see that the price could go to the lower places, which is 80 and 79. The pound yen, the pound yen broke the triangle as we see it here. It's a clear on the daily chart. Okay, the bound yen broke the 221 daily moving average, and now the price is breaking down. We could see that the price make a back testing on the broken area, so we could see that the price go back up again and then start to get back down again. So next target will be for the downside for this move will be the 127.50. Okay, and if the price come back to the upside for today and tomorrow, maybe we could say that the price reached the 130.70. The euro yen is like the pound yen. The euro yen and the pound yen, they reached the target I mentioned last week. Last week I mentioned that the target will be for the euro yen is 106.20, and the price reached it, as we see. And now we see that the price is moving down. The price now is facing this support here, the 160.20. If the price break to the downside, we could see that the price could go to the 104, or the price could retrace back up and go to the last broken area, which is 108.50 and then 109. The price could form hidden shoulders, okay, if the price reach here, but we don't want to make kind of forecasting and expect what could the price do. We do and trade what we see. We do not trade what we think. So just we have to wait and watch the formation, but this just kind of scenario could happen. Okay, gold on the monthly chart is moving, is consolidating between two areas, between here, between the 1800 and between the 1550. We need to see a break to the downside or break to the upside. But as we see on the monthly, the price is moving down, and the next target for the gold is 1560 and then 1500. On the daily chart for the next week, we see that the price opened in a gap today, and if this gap closes as we see it now, the price confirm a cloud cover reversal signal candle, and we see that the price is broke the last resistance was broken here. The next target for the down move will be here, 1600, and if the 1600 is broken, the next target will be down to 1550 and then 1500. For the Australian dollar, okay, we see that the Australian dollar, we have two positions, one on the AUD/USD and another one on the AUD/JPY. We see that the price broke the downtrend line. We will see if the price is still holding under this trend line. We saw that the price broke it and make kind of backtesting, okay, here, and then we see the price is trying to break down now. So any break under the 1240, okay, next target will be 1100 and then 1000. And the Australian dollar yen, AUD/JPY, we see there is a hidden shoulders confirmed and the neckline is broken. We could see some retracement back to back testing the 85 area and then start to come back again and get down to the targets, which is 82 and then 81.50 and 81, which is here. Okay, so we will check just and wait until we reach and get our targets. We see that the price is moving in a downtrend here in a 4 hours channel, and as long as the price is under the 50 moving average and the 100 moving average and the 1 hour, we could expect that the price stand in a down move. Okay, thanks guys. If you like the video and the analysis for the next week, please share it and retweet it between your friends. Thanks a lot.